8th PS, Coal, Petroleum, and Natural Gas author, Kakani Ratna Kumar. Contents: Introduction to Natural Resources, Coal Processing Products, Petroleum. Important notes for competitive exams: Coal environmental aspect, main constituents and their uses. Introduction to Natural Resources. Introduction to Natural Resources. Natural resources are materials obtained from nature to fulfill human needs. Classification of natural resources: inexhaustible resources, unlimited and not depleted by human use, air, sunlight, air. Exhaustible resources, limited in quantity and can be exhausted, air, coal, petroleum, natural gas, minerals, forests. Coal. Formation and types. Coal is a black, hard, stone-like fossil fuel formed from dead plants buried under soil, subjected to heat and pressure over millions of years, a process called carbonization. It mainly consists of carbon. Uses of coal fuel for cooking and heating. Fuel in various industries. 1.3. Used in thermal power plants to generate electricity. Historically used in steam engines. 2.4. Coal processing products. Coal processing products: coke, a porous, tough, almost pure carbon substance used in steel manufacture and metal extraction. Coal gas, obtained while processing coal, once used for street lighting, now mainly for heating purposes. 1.2. Coal tar, a thick, black liquid mixture used to produce synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, and moth repellent. Teen. Environmental aspect. Coal burning produces carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas contributing to global warming.
Petroleum. Origin and composition: petroleum, meaning rock oil, is formed from dead marine organisms buried under sediment and converted over millions of years under high pressure and temperature. It is a dark, oily liquid with a strong odor, composed of various hydrocarbons. Extraction and refining: extracted by drilling wells into rock formations where petroleum accumulates above water layers, since oil and gas are lighter than water. Refined in petroleum refineries to separate components, fractions, main constituents and their uses. Constituent use: petroleum gas, LPG, fuel for homes and industries. Petrol, fuel for motor vehicles, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Kerosene, fuel for lamps, stoves, and jet engines. Diesel, fuel for heavy vehicles and generators. Lubricating oil, lubrication of machines. Paraffin wax, in ointments, candles, Vaseline. Bitumen, road surfacing, paints. Main constituents and their uses. Petrochemicals derived from petroleum and natural gas, raw materials for detergents, synthetic fibers, nylon, polyester, plastics, fertilizer, urea from hydrogen gas, and other industrial products. Due to high commercial value, petroleum is called black gold. Natural gas characteristics and uses: natural gas is a fossil fuel, lighter than petroleum, often found alongside oil deposits. Stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, CNG. Easier to transport via pipelines. Used increasingly for power generation and as a cleaner fuel alternative. Important notes for competitive exams: 1. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are all fossil fuels derived from dead organic matter over millions of years. 4. Though coal tar is a source of many everyday commercial products. Coal forms in swampy forests, petroleum and natural gas form from sea organisms. 5. Bitumen from petroleum is used for road making, replacing coal tar. 7. Environmental awareness about fossil fuels includes their limited supply and pollution concerns. 3. Fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources and need sustainable use. Refining petroleum separates it into useful fractions with diverse applications. 6. Natural gas produces hydrogen, a key component for fertilizer. Thank you.